Hi everyone! So we're going to Diwata, Paris. I don't know where's the exact place. Guys, cute. Diwata, Paris. Where's Diwata? Where's Diwata? Diwata, where are you? You're not in ano ba yun dyan? In Tanggol? You're not there, overnight promo. Oh, there's a lot of people, guys. So, mahaba ang pila. Cute. So, guys, there's a lot of people. So, haba ng pila. And we're waiting. Ha. Look. There's a lot of people here. We will try it, guys. Iikot mo. My videographer is crazy. Uy, ano, nabaliw ka na? Pa! 1 hour later. Yan, mag-video ka lang. Wow! Diwata electric fan. Wow! What do you think, guys? It's delicious or not? I think it's delicious. Masarap ba? Daming tao lagi. Hindi masarap. They asked me if I'm vlogger. Vlogger lang, vlogger. Dito na lang ako sa puno. Eh, nanuno. Binutos. Only rice ba? Dito. Guys, there's ano pa pala here. Barbecue, chicken, pares, chicken inasal, and buto-buto. You can choose what you want. I'm going to rest muna. Ang tagal. Ang tagal. It's not so matagal pala here. There's a lot of people lang. There's a lot of people looking at me, guys. I'm so shy. Sweet. Ang pangit mo mag-video. Si Diwata. Video mo sila ate. Leave me po.
Hi.
Magkano po yung pares?
100 na po yun. And the rest with free drinks na rin.
Tapos po, kapag yung chicken po.
Yung chicken po kasi 2 hours po po yun, madam.
Oh, 2 hours.
Marinate pa po sila eh. Kailangan po magantay.
Pares na lang po.
Overnight, bigay nyo na po dyan sa akin.
Dalawa po pares.
Soft drinks.
Dalawa po.
Marami po yung stop na ibibigay natin dyan sa harapan. Para
Sige
mag-bring
po.
kayo pares. Ito po yung dalawa yung free soft drinks. Bigyan
Sige
ko po
po.
kayo ng 800.
Ah, sige po. So guys, look, G-Shock. Ba't G-Shock?
So much.
Sige po. Guys, this is for soft drinks. May libre bang relo dito? Paris. Ilan? Lahat ma'am. Dalawa. Ilan kayo, ma'am? Dalawa po. So guys, that's the wow. Kuya, mabandihan ako.
Tangilin mo ako pag nabandihan ako.
Thank you po. So guys, di ko kaya to. We will find a place where we eat. We will Maambon. It's raining, guys. Saan? Saan tayo? So guys, this is the free soft drinks. Ang cute ni Kuya. Kuya to. Ay. Ha.
Kasi yung ano mo, ako naman. Dalawa.
Let's go, guys.
Para...
Here tayo. Ay, dito na lang. Guys, hinahanap ko si Diwata. So guys, here. Where's Diwata? So guys, let's eat na. Let's eat na. Kaya tapos na po kayo. Thank you po. Ah, here. Walang toyo. Yan guys. So, ay, that's the laman. And taba. Ano to? Liempo. Yan. So guys, I didn't see Diwata. Diwata, where are you? You are the one, You are the one, yung ibig sabihin. Sabi ko, siya dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo. I'm gonna put, chili oil. So guys, it's delicious. Hi!
Video tayo!
Nagano siya, video siya, no? Say hi daw. Say hi.
Hi!
I'm her Diwatas. Gabi kasi. Welcome to my vlog. Di ba sabi ko, you're a vlogger? Are you vlog?
You're a vlogger?
Yeah, you're the vlogger.
It's delicious to hear, but I like Kuya Jim's better. I think Diwata is sleep in Batang Quiapo. He's not here. So guys, don't forget to visit here in Diwata. It's so delicious here and they have a free hot drinks. I'm full. No. Ayoko. I'm full now, guys. It's delicious here, guys. So, you can visit here. Oh, ubos na. It's gone. So, guys, I'm done eating. So, it's delicious, but I like very much Kuya Jim's Pares, and you can try also here if you want. And that's it, guys. We're buying takeout. Ay, busog look. Pabili po. Take out po.
Ano sa'yo?
Pares po.
Ilan?
Isa.
Purong lechon.
Dalawa ate.
Sa'yo?
Isa lang po.
Magkano pag purong lechon lang?
Ganun din.
75 na?
70 lang. May rice ba? Wala? Ah, wala.
Magkano po?
60 lang, di ba?
Puro yun sa kanina.
Dalawang purong lechon.
Sakto na. Thank you po. Thank you, Diwata. Nabusog mo ako. And this is the takeout. So now, I'm gonna buy water because the soft drinks there is not enough.
Oh, magic man.
Pabili po. Magkano po maliit na tubig? Yung ganda po.
25.
Oh, magic.
Yung maliit na lang po.
Sir, mga magic drink.
So pricey. Guys, it's only 10 pesos. Wow, magic. Bata lang naniniwala dyan, kuya eh. Wala, madilim, hindi ko makita yung tali. Paano yan? So guys, we're gonna back in car. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Tara na. Bye-bye!